friends, today we are going to draw a cute ladybug. To draw this, at first we need to make a circle, an oval shaped circle. Next, its head. A straight line to divide its body. Oh, these black dots. I think it's so simple to draw it. And at the end, I promise that it will look nice. Trust me, because it's very cute. It's time to draw its legs and hands. You can draw it in this way. Exactly. We'll repeat the technique again. Okay. Oh, I can't forget about its spike. Okay, let's color it. We all know that it's generally red of color, so we have chosen red. We have to cover its whole body. Will remain apart. There are black dots. We must try that we don't overlap the red color on the black dots.